Hi, I'm Michelle Griffith of Douglas Elliman, and welcome to 91 Leonard, one of Tribeca's most sought-after new developments. This turnkey duplex penthouse has over 2,800 square feet with 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and sweeping city views. And you can feel all of that in this spectacular great room. This expansive living and dining room wrapped in floor-to-ceiling windows showcases some of Tribeca's most iconic architecture. The penthouse is flooded with natural light, and these pale oak floors give the great room a radiant glow. With high ceilings and an open concept for grand entertaining, the room is both sophisticated and inviting. As we move through the penthouse, you will notice exquisite finishes, including this cascading chandelier in the dining room. Now this kitchen is a showstopper, anchored by this oversized marble waterfall island. It also features custom cabinetry, brass hardware, and a suite of Gaggenau appliances. The kitchen is conveniently located right off of the dining room, but it has pocket doors if you want to cook in private. Imagine preparing your breakfast and having coffee with these unbelievable city views. But there's a couple more things I want to show you, so follow me. Each bedroom is uniquely designed with exquisite views, but I'm going to show you the primary. The bedroom is pin-drop quiet, has custom built-ins, and has a glorious western exposure. Let me tell you, the sunsets from here are jaw-dropping. In addition, there's a windowed walk-in closet with integrated lighting, and the spa-like bath is finished with marble floors, polyform vanities, accented with brass and pewter detailing, and watermark plumbing fixtures. And separate glass-enclosed shower complete this refined and sophisticated space. Saving the best for last, now I'm going to show you what makes this penthouse truly spectacular. Crowning the penthouse is this expansive terrace with a custom gas grill and enough room for multiple seating areas. And with unobstructed city views, you can do some sightseeing without ever leaving your home. Thank you for joining me on the tour of one of Tribeca's most stunning new developments. As you've seen, this penthouse has style, function, and some of the city's most incredible views. See you on the next one.
Well, if you love what we show you on Open House, definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel because we are adding new content all the time, and you can see more of stuff like this.